So I published a video yesterday that got 60 views, 2 likes, and 1 comment. Overall, you might consider that being kind of a failure when you consider that you spend maybe 10 minutes thinking about a subject, 5 minutes, 15 seconds recording, another 10 minutes to upload, another 10 minutes to write a description, 5 minutes. But I want to show you something fascinating because I received 2 text messages separately from people, essentially giving their perspectives on this video. And that happens surprisingly more often than you would think. That happens quite often, actually, more often than not when I publish something online. And it's just a small handful sample size of a reaction, but it is a reaction. And these 60 people, these are 60 individuals that took time out of their day to watch at least 3 seconds of what I had to say. And that to me is truly, truly special. More people watch this than you would even think. Imagine speaking in a room in front of 60 people. Now that's a legitimate audience. And 60 of these people gave a snippet of their day to me. And that's a big responsibility that I have to consider when I'm publishing content, to publish things that progress a conversation and isn't just publishing for the sake of publishing. My company, Sonder Media, it's derived from Saunders, spelled Sondor. It's derived from a root word called sonder, which is Sonder. And I'm going to show you that definition right here. It's a noun. It's the realization that each random passerby is living a life as vivid and complex as your own. 60 people. Combined living experience. That's thousands of years, right? If you just think about how complex your yesterday was, how complex my yesterday was, it was insane. I had a lot of things going on, a lot of things. You probably did too. These people did as well. The word Sonder is the realization that these people are important. And so all you need to do is, if you get 6 likes, if you get 6 views, or 6 million views, is to recognize how special each individual is. Because you don't need to attract all the eyeballs, you just need to attract the right eyeballs. And when you have the right eyeballs on you, special things happen. That's it for today's video, guys. See you next time.